Got to make an update video for Bitcoin and the crypto markets. Got a nice little move to the upside here. This is not a surprise. I'm going to show you in this video what targets we're looking at, what we're expecting for the immediate future, the price action on Bitcoin. As always, guys, I'm going to make this short, sweet. I'm just going to give you the good stuff that you want. If you watch my channel, guys, we saw this move coming way back here. We saw this move coming. This was posted over a month ago. Liquidity sweep to the downside coming up. I have an ABC. I'm an Elliott wave trader, guys. This is how I see the future before it happens. We see these moves before they happen. All right, so let's just dive into the charts, and we'll show you what I'm looking at and what I'm expecting for Bitcoin. So we're gonna, first of all, before we get into anything, I will say, you know, if you watched my last video, we saw this monster move to the downside coming. We got it. I was getting a little greedy. I was expecting one more hit lower before we got this pump out of here. It decided to stop right here. Do we have lower to go? Are we done? Or are we hitting to the upside? What are we doing? So if you pull the fibs on Bitcoin for this correction, we hit our fib pocket perfectly, like so. Perfect spot as any to turn around for reversal. We knew there was a good chance of reversal in this pocket. I did want to see one more hit lower. We didn't get it. It decided to reverse here. It is what it is. So we have reversal on Bitcoin. Now, if you were to ask me, is there a chance that we come down and hit lower and don't take out all-time highs? Yeah, obviously there's a chance. But I'm sticking with my guns and I'm not switching up now. I've had this mapped out for a while now. We saw this move coming, and I'm expecting the all-time high to get taken out. I don't expect a blow off top, but I do expect it to get taken out to around 76, 78K. We've been saying this for a while. This is nothing new. So this move is, yeah, to be expected. Now, stick with me because we're going to go in smaller time frames, and I'm going to show you where to hop in on these trades, what looks good to me. And, you know, if you want daily alerts, guys, join the Discord. I got a free Discord linked in the description below. Check it out. I'm in the general chat with you. I do post alerts time to time in the free Discord. And then if you want the daily alerts, head on over to the upgrade here. Go to premium. Daily alerts 24/7 live Elliott wave charts on your favorite cryptos and regular markets. I give you indicators. I give you a full Elliott wave course. So if you want to learn Elliott wave and learn how we map out these trades, head on to the Discord and check it out. And last thing I'm going to plug, because this is important, guys. If you're looking to trade, no KYC, no VPN, head on over to Blowfin, scroll down in the description, or in the first comment pinned, and click the link. Right now, I got you a link with 15% cash back on your deposits, guys. It's a free 15% gain on your account. Last day for this is tomorrow. So sign up for Blowfin. You just need an email. Don't be lazy. Sign up. Get your free 15% deposit bonus. You can get up to $7,500 doing that. So check it out. Take advantage of that right now. That's what I'm trading on. No KYC, no VPN. Great liquidity. So many coins to trade. Super good platform. Super good app. Check them out. All right. Now let's get focused here. This is my primary account. This is what I'm expecting for Bitcoin to do. An impulse to the upside, take out all-time high, and then we get a mega dump to the downside. That's what I'm seeing in the future. Mega dump. But I want to come and take these highs out. So let's go smaller time frame. And before we go smaller time frame, I'm on the weekly. Guys, this is important. So if we look at our indicators here, our momentum oscillator, now there's a while before the weekly closes, so you know we got a lot of time here, but this tight wave to the upside, usually when you get this, and RSI is breaking to the upside as well, usually when you get this, you get a nice massive spike of a wave, and then that puts in your divergence. So we're in the midst of a nice spike to the high. We'll put in our divergence on the weekly, and boy oh boy, you get some weekly divergence. Yeah, that's what we're expecting. This is not a drill. I want to come down here, and then we can impulse to the upside again. This is long-term stuff, guys. This is just to map out, you know, give you some insight as to what I'm looking at long-term. And then, you know, we're gonna go in smaller time frame right now. Let's check it out. Let's see what we got. All right, guys, leave a comment down below. If we take out all-time high, do you think it's going to be a blow off top and we're going to 80k, 90k, 100k? Do you think it's going to be a blow off top if we take out this high, or do you think it's just a liquidity sweep and then we're just going to dump? Do you think it's a liquidity sweep take out of the high, or do you think we are blasting through? Leave a comment down below. I'm curious. I'm really curious to see what you guys think. All right. So looking at this impulse we got off of the bottom, we're going to go in even smaller. Looking at the impulse off of the bottom, I'm counting this as a 1, 2, 1, 2. We're in the middle of a 3. Going to get a 4. Something like this. So we have in our impulse wave, our 3 wave, I have a 1, 2, 3. Gonna get a 4, maybe come into this area, 5, and then from there we can wave 4 out, and then ultimately I'm expecting an extended 5th wave that comes and takes out the high. A nice extended juicy 5th wave, something like this. Liquidity has been taken. Nice liquidity has been taken here. If we look at the heat maps, you know, liquidity's taken. We'll skip over to this one. If we go on the monthly, you'll see what I'm talking about. Right here we had this big juicy band of liquidity. Took that. So it's a nice spot to kind of level out at, come into a wave 4 and then impulse. Guys, this could just shoot straight up. I'm not saying it can't. So be prepared for that. But what I'm expecting is some type of a intermediate wave 4 here. Maybe take out this trend line. Take out this trend line, then come up, and then we get our longer wave 4, and then into our wave 5. If we look at the time frames, like the 4-hour, the 12-hour, guys, RSI is so overbought. Momentum is so overbought. The 12-hour, it's even overbought. The daily has some time, has some room to go, but it doesn't have to go straight up. We can have a little retrace, kind of test this RSI trend line breakout on the daily. Give everything a little time to reset, and then we can go for our final wave up. That's what I'm looking at. It's what looks good to me. So let's go micro time frames and see what we have here. I was posting in the premium Discord alerts like crazy because just there were so many juicy short setups. They just look so good. Right now I'm short Ethereum. We'll see how that plays out. But these are more scalp shorts. I'm expecting this market to keep pumping to the upside. Little pullbacks, as we know, things don't go straight up, things don't go straight down. So we're on the 10-minute for Bitcoin. Let's take a look. Right now I have pretty much a finished 5-wave structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a finishing wave structure for me. And then you can count all this as some type of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So this looks pretty much ready for a nice correction. We need a nice correction. So I'm really expecting an ABC to the downside, come take out this trend line. That's going to be our wave 4 of this. 1, 2, 3, 4 into a 5. And then we wave 4 out some more. And we'll put together a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then our extended 5th wave up to 76, 78K. You following me? You tracking this with me? So that's what I'm looking at. I'm looking short. I'm looking short at these levels. You might want to wait for a solid reaction down and then short on the retrace. I tried doing that right here and shorting on the retrace, kept pumping up. So here we are. We have a nice 5-way finishing structure, and looking to short this bad boy down a little bit. I will be flipping long once we come into this liquidity pocket. I am looking long. It's gonna be hilarious if it just keeps deciding to dump on me, huh? Right when I start to look long. You know I'm bearish, guys. Oh, we love it. We love it. We love it. So yeah, that's where my head's at. That's what I just want to give you guys a quick update. I think we're going to take out all-time high again. It's going to be a liquidity sweep, and then we're just dumping. Worse than anyone can ever imagine. I'm ready for it. Are you ready for it? Leave a comment down below if we're going to get a blow off top, or if we're just liquidity sweeping this all-time high and we're dumping. Let me know in the comments. Blowfin, linked in the description down below. Check them out. Get your free 15%. Get it. Discord, link in the description down below. I'll see you guys in there. Thanks for watching the video. I love y'all. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.